I line unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Saturday, April the 11th, 2020. And in today's video, we're going to take you guys back over to the Red Shed to bring you guys a day 12 update on exactly what's going on with Mrs. Holly's bush beans that we planted 12 days ago here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel in our 2-foot by 6-foot main Hugo Cut Your Garden planter. Take a look at this, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, here we are back at the Red Shed and our dear friend Mrs. Holly's planter here in our front yard garden extended grow area. If you recall from our last video update on this particular planter, this is what Mrs. Holly's bush beans look like in our last video update. And this, YouTube, this is indeed exactly what has happened at the Red Shed in just the past 7 days. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Now tell me, is Mrs. Holly's bush beans in our 2-foot by 6-foot Hugo Cut Your Garden planter indeed looking well, or what? Give you guys a linear view on what's going on in this planter. As you can see, virtually every single seed that we planted in this particular planter did indeed germinate. We only had two seeds, YouTube, out of 46 seeds that did not germinate. Now, if that's not a fantastic germination rate, I don't know what is. If you guys recall correctly, we received these bush bean seeds from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. And these seeds are indeed a product of Johnny's Selected Seeds up in Winslow, Maine. I do approve, I do recommend Johnny's Selected Seeds. Cannot be more pleased by the rate at which these bush beans germinated in our 2-foot by 6-foot main Hugo Cut Your Garden planter. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. And if you're not already subscribed to the Red Shed and our dear friend Mrs. Holly's channel, take this moment to click on the link at the top of this video, hop over to her channel and see what Mrs. Holly is growing in her garden there as well. Thanks, YouTube.